So take a brinjal like this and slit all the four sides of the brinjal with a knife like this. It should be this much deep. That's it. So of all the four sides it's the same depth. Okay, now I'm placing in green chilies inside the slits like this. This is the garlic paste. So put 1/4 teaspoon of garlic paste into each of the four slits like this. So all the sides is done. Now prick 2 forks on either side of the brinjal like this, so it's easy for you to hold it, and place it on a stove stand like this as I have done, and keep the flame as medium and keep frying it on all the sides. Also don't forget the downside also, and do this for the other brinjal and keep it aside. Chop it and keep it aside. Now in a kadai I'm adding in 3 teaspoons of oil. To that I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 slit green chili, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Also adding salt here and fry till the onions are brown. So once the onions are brown, I'm adding in 4 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, and we will fry this till the tomatoes are mushy. So you can see that the tomatoes are mushy now. Now I'm adding in the chopped fried brinjal along with the green chilies that were inside. Cut the green chilies into small pieces like this, okay? And incorporate well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame till the brinjals are cooked well. The brinjals are cooked well. You will know when the brinjals have become soft and they're not hard anymore, and they have changed the color from lighter to a darker one. Okay, so mix in well after 10 minutes while mashing it in between. So basically you need to mash all the brinjal like this. Okay, now let's add in some oil so that you don't feel it too dry. You can add some more oil if you feel it dry. And let's add in the masala powders right now. Start by adding half red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of egg masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt as per your taste. Okay, mix all this well, maintaining the flame as low. Cover this and let's cook this for about 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes it's done. So switch off the flame, mix once, and this is ready to be served. So this can be had with chapati, roti, dosa, or anything as a side, also with rice. So hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.